So how's it going there, YouTube? So I'm gonna make a simple quick video about how I make battery terminals like this one. You see this for a 4-gauge wire. These are from Harbor Freight. These are $2.99 for a 2-pack. Okay, so this is basically a refrigerator tubing, the one that comes in a row that you could buy at Home Depot. Well, this is 3/8 thick, and I'm trying to make the connectors here for a 4-gauge wire, stranded welding wire. So I'll be reproducing something similar to this. And I'll show you guys how I do it using my very old press. This is a 2-speed press, which makes things a little bit easier when you're pressing this copper, because it's kind of tough. And we'll be making a test and crimping the wire using the hydraulic press, using tube there's a tube flaring tool, which I now use to crimp after I've done the terminal. I made a new one. Then we'll crimp it. So now this, you can see, it was cut by my tube cutter. That's why it's coned out like that, because with the tube cutter it makes that shape. So you just got to clean it out for the 4-gauge wire fits nicely here. So this is 3/8, yes. This is cut to 1.5 inch. So I'll make a video how we're gonna do this.